How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another vlog. I'm sorry I have not posted in a while. It's just that we haven't really been working on the car lately and I don't have any video content for you guys at all, so I do apologize about that. But today is another day. We are back and we're gonna work on the Z. So yeah, we're already here at Derek's house. We're just waiting for him to get out of his house. Alright guys, so we're at Derek's now. Again, here's the Z. The interior. We are going to be mounting the transmission on today. Hopefully get it finished. We're just looking for the hardware now. Here's the trailer itself. Derek. So anyways, yeah, we're just gonna get the transmission mounted on. And yeah, also one more thing. I got a new camera. Check it out. Here it is, guys. New camera. We're vlogging. It's perfect, you know. Let's go say hi to Derek. So what's up, Derek?
What's up, man?
Ooh. Alright, guys.
Back at it again after 3 years. We're gonna try to put on the transmission today. We just cleaned it. Once again, we're doing it.
That's what we did? How though? How are we gonna slide it under?
How are we gonna slide it under?
Excuse me?
Alright, so we're gonna put this bad boy in. This bad boy right here. I'm not talking about this one, I'm talking about this guy. This bad boy.
Okay, so how do we just slide it in?
Yeah.
This doesn't always in.
I don't think so.
I don't even know what I'm doing.
I don't either. I was just here to watch. The spiral looks as heavy as that.
Yep. Here's this upstairs.
Upstairs, and you have to have it above your head like that. Dude. Hey, you should watch Boruto.
No, not yet. He's barely shipping it, so you can't even tell him.
Alright, start watching more.
I would just leave.
I don't want to help out. Just by looking.
And then we gotta get like the small jack under here. And that's it. Like move it. Hi!
Here, I got another jack. Push it a little bit forward.
We don't know what we're doing, guys, so it's okay to judge.
I'm judging from behind the camera. Alright, we're back. We're back inside.
Like,
Inside or under?
Under.
We should get like a chain, put it through up there, and someone like pulls from up there. This lifts up, and then we put the jack under.
That sounds pretty smart.
Alright, so we're gonna jack it up.
Why is it so long?
This is how it is, Walter. Alright, I'm gonna get the bracket to see how the fuck this goes. So this part,
It goes in here.
yeah.
So we'll be right back, guys, after these awesome commercials. Even though I don't have ads. Welcome back, guys. This.
Alright, so these little ball things go inside here.
Yeah.
Ready, Walter? 2, 3.
Good deal.
Hold on. Take it out. Put it down, Walter. 2, 3.
Fuck,
No. Put it down. So you guys can see we're having issues putting the jack up. Oh man, I got stuff in my eye. So we're gonna switch the jacks to a low profile in order for us to bring it up. So hopefully it goes better. As you guys see right now, we'll continue. Oh man, it's starting to get hot. Just letting you guys know, my videos are gonna be separated into like parts. They're probably gonna be like around 5 minutes. It's gonna be like last time. It's gonna be like part 1, part 2, part 3, and so on, depending on how long the videos are, how long we take doing this work.
Did I just drop your phone? I just dropped
Perhaps. But anyways, yeah, so we're gonna get the jack up and it should work. Hopefully we're gonna make it work. Yeah, we won't give up. Just in case if this is the end of part 1, I'll catch you guys in part 2. I'll catch you guys next time or next video, part 2.